e4, e5. White attacking ipawn elisecenter nge-knight. While black ayidefende nge-knight. Then white bese aphusha u-c3, preparing ukuthi aphushe u-c4. Preparing ukuphusha u-c4, attacking i-center. Black attack ipawn nge-knight. But la awulidefend ipawn, just push ilokhozi. Le pawn el-attackiwe awul-defend, but you push u-d4. Pawn to d4, attacking i-center because inhloso ise-center. Alidle u-black ipawn nge-knight. You don't take back, but you push attacking i-knight. I-knight le edefende leli pawn elisecenter. Okusho ukuthi i-knight iyaphoqeleka ukulishiya leli pawn imove. Yes. Then bese u-white athathe ipawn elisecenter nge-knight. U-black attacking i-knight le immediately attack i-knight le eqeda kudla ipawn. La kuyinkinga ngoba u-white uthatha ibishop ayibeke lapha ku-b5 and say check ngebishop instead of ukumove i-knight. La uma ngabe u-black engabeka ibishop uzoluza iqueen ngoba i-knight ne-bishop ku-pointe kwi-check kokubili. So i-pawn is the better move. Pushing i-pawn is a better move. You take i-pawn nge-pawn. U-white ulindele lapho ukuthi thathe i-pawn and bene-discovery check. But white decided to move i-queen, attacking manje i-bishop nge-queen le ezoyenza u-discovery check. And also there's a mate atrikisha u-black nge-queen nange-knight. Yabo. But ma uthatha i-pawn leliyana kuba no-discovery check. So you can still take i-pawn ngoba ngeke azabe no-checkmate. Check. So fanele adle bishop noma amove. Yabo. So black decide ukuthi amove i-king. When move i-king, wena ma ungadla i-rook leya uzothatha i-queen ayoshaya u-checkmate lapha ku-f2. So ukudla ilokhuza ngoba kune-checkmate ku-f2. Ukudla i-rook it's not right now. But the best move is to take i-knight, ushaye i-pawn eliku-f7 and say check. Iyaphoqeleka ukumove i-king, ayikwazi ukuhlala lapha la kuna i-bishop evimbe khona. The only spot ekwazi ukuhlala kusona i-king ilokhuza u-c7. If ehlala ku-c7, i-pawn seliyakwazi ukuyodla manje i-rook. But libese ligraduate lenza i-knight ukuze still kube khona u-check. Kube no-check nge-knight, check nge-knight. So i-king la fanele imove ngoba iyaphoqeleka. Then i-knight ishaya i-queen. After i-knight ishaya i-queen noma ngadla nge-king noma ngadla nge-pawn, uyabona ukuthi leya rook izofa any move ishawa i-knight. Naleya bishop leya i-attackwe i-bishop i-knight. La i-king ayiprotectiwe i-king e-black. La ungayiwina kalula le game. So le move le ku-attacka i-center early kubaluleke kakhulu ukwenza ukuthi usheshe win i-game. Cela ni-like and subscribe sikwazi ukuthi sikhulise i-channel. Ama-video ayeza. Siyabonga.